Hello everyone, good afternoon. Well, today I'm on a different spot and I'm not gonna say much, just gonna enjoy the view and focus on what I'm recording. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to press the like and if possible check the links in the description. PayPal, buy me a coffee, GoFundMe. If you can give me a hand, I really appreciate it. Any donation is welcome. Eu agora nem por cima tenho que trocar a bateria. I think I'm gonna need to stop because it's raining. It's starting to rain. I have this big ass cloud on top of me, so I need to take some shelter. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.